Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely unbelievable collection. You can see the Indian Ocean puja perfectly in the shape of Lord Ganesh head. You can see perfectly shape of Lord Ganesh head. You can see the head of Lord Ganesh. Here you can see two eyes of Lord Ganesh and trunk of Lord Ganesh. Totally is unbelievable. Conch perfect in the shape of Lord Ganesh. Totally mind blowing. It is just only one piece in the world. Never again like this another piece. Extremely valuable conch. Extremely valuable. Here also it is look like a Lord Ganesh. And if we keep it look like a fish, Vatshavada of Lord Mahavishnu. Totally unbelievable conch. Totally unbelievable conch. Extremely valuable. Extremely valuable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Unbelievable collection. Conch perfectly in the shape of Lord Ganesh head. Totally unbelievable. Unbelievable.